you're good.
Hold up.
Yep. That way I can get come in behind you.
Okay, I figured the more stuff we buy.
Because I'm not on the side.
There you go. I like that.
Or if you want me to hold up at that switch, you can come inside.